Hello friends, welcome to my fourth HTML tutorial. In this video, we will learn about centering content, picture formatting and horizontal line. Okay, first comes to centering content. Okay, then what do you mean by centering content? If you want to center any content or text of the page or any table cell, then you can use this tag. Okay, suppose I want to put my first heading YouTube video for everything in the center of page, then I can use this center tag. So there must be an starting center tag and closing center tag. After that, save the file and refresh here. Look, my first heading YouTube video for everything is in the center. That means this tag is used for to center any content in HTML code. Okay, then comes to picture formatting. Okay, I will give an example that helps to you to understand what is the working of picture formatting. Okay, suppose I want to write this line like this and save the file, refresh here. Notice nothing is happened because in previous tutorial I told you that HTML does not identify the additional space. Okay, if I will use preserve tag, then what happened? Okay, this is the starting tag and there must be a closing tag. Okay, then save the file and refresh here. Notice that it displays text exactly what written in HTML source code. Okay, I hope you should understand about this tag. Okay, then comes to third, horizontal line. Then what can I do with this tag? Let's see. Suppose this is first section and this is second section. If you want to insert a horizontal line or separate between these two sections, then we can use a chat tag, and also it is an empty tag, so does not need end tag. So save the file and refresh here. Look, there is an horizontal line between these two sections. Okay, if you have any doubt related on this video, you can inbox me at any time. Okay, see you guys in next video.